Greetings, friends and colleagues of the CFA Society Calgary. The way that we foster trust and build relationships with clients, team members, investors, and strategic partners has been revolutionized by the internet and, of course, accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. And what people find out about us when they Google our names on the internet ultimately correlates to our life and professional opportunity set. My name is Soma. I'm the CEO of Blue Ocean Global Technology and a co-founder of Girl Power Talk. Join me for a memorable and interactive session on November 18th, focused on the future of networking and building your personal digital brand. As investment professionals, we are oftentimes a little bit more reserved with the information that we want out there about us. Also, there's compliance restrictions and there's choice overload with respect to digital assets. How do you choose amongst what to put on different social media platforms, writing articles, videos, podcasts? Don't worry. I'm going to demystify that process and provide you an actionable framework with some of the most important tips and case studies from CFA charter holders and investment professionals that I've helped all over the world. We're going to make sure that we have fun, it's purposeful, and all of you leave with some information and a plan for being able to go and apply these strategies and tips in your own life. I want to take a moment and thank the esteemed Jade and Carlene at the CFA Society for their commitment to education and inviting me to speak. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you. It will be the time you can ask any question, and I'll make sure that we provide information so that you can make the most informed decisions. Thank you so much. Look forward to meeting you very soon.